today I'm going to be reviewing Aquazzura Tati sandals. I'm going to be giving you more information on the shoes and on the brand in case you've ever thought about buying a pair, so that you can know everything from quality to style. So please subscribe. And by the way, if you're new, my name is Marinella. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, and comment this video, like that YouTube can recommend my videos to more and more people. Something that really grabbed my attention about the shoes is the strap in the back, because it has the gold detailing and then it has a little expander that just allows for the shoe to stay in place and to be worn without you worrying that the shoe is going to slip off. For these shoes, I don't think you have to wear like any type of tape in the back, because, well, obviously they are very sturdy and you are paying for very, very high quality. So something that I really loved about them is that they have the 3 straps in the front, and then they have this knot crisscross effect, and that's something that's very in right now. The bottom of the shoe, in case you guys want to buy a pair so that you know what the real thing is like, it has the pineapple and then it has a leather sole in brown. On the inside of the shoe, you're going to notice the brand Aquazzura. It has the logo, and then it has the insole, which is also leather. It's stitched in. This is not glued. And then the toe box is in gold. Something that you're gonna notice if you ever try these shoes on is that they're very light, and that makes them very comfortable, because no one wants to walk around with heavy shoes. That's something that I've noticed with high-end designers. The shoes tend to be very, very light. Also, something that I really liked about them is that these shoes can be worn with a casual outfit, or they can be worn with something that's a little bit more dressed up. For example, a wedding, a graduation, a special event. These shoes would be perfect. Something that I also love about them is that the front and the heel height are well compensated, which allows for them to be more comfortable. I do notice that the heel in the back, the gold that it has, I do think that it's a sensitive material. If you by any chance get the heel scratch, well, obviously it's going to show a lot just because of the color. So in my opinion, I think the shoes are definitely worth the money. They are very comfortable when you walk in them. And if you ever want to get a pair, you can do so at Saks, you can do so at Bloomingdale's, at Nordstrom. There was a time when this brand had a significant discount, and a lot of people took advantage of that and they bought the shoes. Now, if you find a sketchy website that sells them and the price seems too good to be true, well, then most likely they are not original. Just always go to those stores, or you can go directly on their website, and then there they also have sales going on. These shoes are probably going to go down in price as time passes, because when new collections come in, they reduce the pricing. Now I want to tell you guys a little bit about the box. So the box is a turquoise color. It's beautiful, and something that I really loved is on the inside it has a little saying which goes, if the shoes fit, buy them in every color. So it also comes with the little bag, which is used for you to put your shoes. For example, if you wear the shoes for a while and you want to take them on and put on flats, you can do so in this bag. And then I don't do that with my shoes in particular. What I do is that I put them in my closet, and what I do is that I organize them by category and by color, so that when I'm looking for something, I'm able to find them. Honestly, something I've learned in life is that for things to last, you have to take care of them. So that's something that I do to store my shoes. And I've noticed that my shoes are in good condition because of me doing that. So would I recommend the shoes? Well, absolutely. I think you should definitely check this brand out. Are they comfortable to walk in? I think they are super comfortable to walk in, and these are definitely shoes that are going to last me a very, very long time.